Welcome to InCav Medical. Today, we are removing a O-scan MRI. For the patient, O-scan is a comfortable, non-claustrophobic MRI, whereas image quality, exam times, and workflow live up to today's high expectations. O-scan is one of the lowest break-even figures in industry. Having your own MRI becomes possible even for those sites that only have a few cases per day. Designed for comfort means performing the MRI exam sitting on a chair as only the extremity under investigation is placed in the system. Comfortable and completely non-claustrophobic. Easy to use. The O-scan is easy to use and learn as it uses Windows functionalities. The interface and protocols are custom designed for extremity MRI, which considerably speeds up and simplifies the examination procedure. Remote assistance. All Esaote MRI systems have remote service capability. Remote connection gives Esaote service and application specialists the possibility to perform system checks, verify image quality, and help the local operator set optimal exam parameters. Remote service shortens reactions times and improves the efficiency of the service visits. Connectivity. O-scan comes with network storage and documentation features to work as part of an integrated environment offering smart solutions for connectivity and teleradiology. O-scan comprises features like patient CD and an integrated DVD-based archiving function for standalone operation. Fits almost everywhere. The O-scan does more in less space. The innovative design and unique structure minimizes the total space required for installation. Thanks to its low weight and extremely small 5 gauss footprint, the O-scan can be installed in virtually any office or practice with ease, accommodating the needs of both small diagnostic practices and large radiology departments.
And remember, we have this equipment and much more available for sale or rent at InCav Medical, your best option for medical and laboratory equipment. Thanks for watching.